All right, everybody, it is day 3. So the table over there, the last part is being glued in. I did work on the 4 legs that are right there in front of you. There are 2 different types of wood. I think 2 are oak and the other 2 are something different. All that were the corner pieces. Those are done being sanded. All the hardware is done being soaked, and I wiped it off and brushed it pretty good, so it still has some rust patina on it, but it's not all funky rusty like it was before. And then I've got the tabletop over there that I need to work on, so I'm thinking probably, I don't know, another day or so of sanding, and then I'm going to stain each one of these pieces individually and then put everything back together, and I will post that when I'm done. So yeah, it's been a productive day. So it's quitting time for me. So I hope you guys are enjoying my journey through working with old furniture, with old tools, because I'm an old guy. Anyway, have a great day. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.